at FunPlex, about to go bowling for Kevin's birthday. Oh, hey, you want to say hey? My bad, Amy. Yeah, that's okay. It's your birthday?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You excited?
Oh,
You excited?
I think we have to ask
You gonna
for
win?
it. No, she's talking about it's like a silver thing they curve and then we put the ball and then it just go.
Please.
Are you ready? You gonna win? Are you gonna win? Are you gonna win?
Wait, no. Don't drop it on my toe. Hold it.
Like this?
It's not. Okay, wait. It's almost your turn.
Oh, wait.
You gonna go? You gotta wait your turn.
It's gonna be your turn.
You gotta wait your turn.
That's your dancing. That's your victory dance. Highlight who goes next. All right, go ahead, Boo Boo. Go ahead, Ava.
Go ahead, Ava. Boo Boo just went.
Oh, you did good. Good job.
Here, just hold it like that and roll it.
Oh, you know
Come on, Lala.
Oh, yeah. Look, it's going.
I don't think it's gonna make it.
It's going.
Come on, bro. No, it ain't. Damn. It's
Yes, sir.
You said just 7. How many you got? And you acting like your daddy. You over here throwing the powerful ball.
They gonna have to come get that.
Well, damn.
Look at this. Look at this. Uh-oh. Fairly decent. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, I be goddamn. Okay, Lonnie Pooh.
It's okay, wait.
There you go. You go, girl. Let me pop. Here you go, baby.
Good job, Kevin. You go again, Kevin. All right, Kevin.
recording. Shocking. This is my peeps.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm going to the hotel. Watch this side, alright?
25, baby. Yes, ma'am.
Taste your girl.
I think I get one more. Look. That's still me. Gang, gang.
Gang is crazy. 7, Derek, Aiden, Jeff, Lanaya. Stop. Ava. Stop me doing that. Lonnie. Jeff.
Stop taking the place. Look at you get that.
This is my camera.
He a baby.
I was like he's adorable. Good job, Ava.
Throw it.
Oh, please, get ready. You have mine? I got makeup all on you. Look at Ava, girl. You have fun? Why you looking like that? You didn't have fun? Yes, you did. What's wrong? Why you looking sad? Huh? What's wrong? I can't hear you. Talk to me. You want to stay? We can't stay here. You trying to stay? It's time to go. They played 5 games. 5 games, mind you. We've been here since probably like 6 o'clock and it's going on 10 o'clock. Like they played 5 games. I think, no, we got here. No, I'm lying. We've been here since 5 something. And it's 10 o'clock. So yeah, they played 5 games. So they got an hour each. So we got here like at, probably like right at 5 or a little bit before 5. Look, big boy, you turned how old? 5? And I was gonna make the invitations 5 o'clock. I made them 3 o'clock. Wait, the invitations are 4 o'clock. And we got here at 5.